Hey guys, welcome back to Madihaz Cooking. I hope you all are well. So today we are going to be making Akhrot ka halwa. So into a pan I'm going to be adding 1 stick of butter, and then I'm going to be adding crushed Akhrot, crushed walnuts, and I'm going to mix that up until it bubbles like this. And we want to stir consistently so the akhrot does not burn, and we're gonna mix until it gets like this nice dark beautiful brown color, and then we're going to turn the burner off, and then we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. The reason I turn the burner off is so I do not burn myself. So yeah, and then after you add the milk, you want to make sure that you are mixing constantly and letting bubbles form so that your halwa thickens up. Yeah, and you want to make sure that you are stirring very consistently and that you are not really trying to burn your halwa. This is a very important step. You can easily burn your halwa and it's not going to taste good, so I recommend that you are stirring very consistently. You want to make sure that you stir the edges and everything so none of the halwa burns. And here I'm just letting a few bubbles form. And now I'm going to be adding about 1 cup of sugar into our akhrot ka halwa. And then I'm going to give that a nice stir until everything is nicely combined. Just like that. And here I've let some bubbles form, and this is optional, but I added elaichi powder. I only added elaichi powder because I like the taste of elaichi powder in my halwa, so you do not have to add it, but I do recommend it. So anyway, while our bubbles are forming, I'm just going to keep on mixing until it's a nice and thick consistency. Just like this. Really nicely stirring and making sure that our halwa does not burn. This is one of my favorite halwas to make just because it's so easy to make, and also because it's really quick. It's very quick to make, and every time I feel like making halwa or eating halwa, this is the halwa I make because it's so quick, it's so easy, and it tastes very delicious. So anyway, you're just gonna keep mixing until your halwa looks like this. You can see just by looking at it, the halwa looks very thick, but we are not done yet. We are just gonna keep on mixing. You want a very nice thick halwa, so we're just gonna keep mixing so our halwa does not burn. And yeah, consistency is key here. You want to keep mixing and mixing so your halwa does not burn. This halwa is very easy to make. This halwa is very good. I do recommend you guys trying this halwa. And here what I just did with the spoon is to see if your halwa is thick enough. Basically to see with this halwa if the consistency is right. Just grab some in a spoon and tilt the spoon and see if the halwa is drooping down or if it's sticking together and it's falling in patches. If it's falling in patches and it's sticking together, that's how you know that your halwa is ready. To make sure that your halwa turns out right, I recommend you guys doing that. Anyway, I'm just going to keep on stirring just like this. our halwa is almost ready to be put into our pan. So here in a pan that I have lined with parchment paper, I have just placed my halwa in it. And now I'm just going to spread that out with a spatula or spoon of your choosing. And I'm just going to shape it in the shape I want. So I am shaping my halwa into a rectangle shape, just like this. Getting a nice even layer on top and throughout the halwa. And now I'm going to be garnishing my halwa with roughly chopped walnuts. This is optional. I just like adding the walnuts on top because it's a nice decoration and it tastes really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.